In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background with Adobe Firefly. So go to Adobe Firefly, and if you have an account, log into your account. And once you are here on Adobe Firefly, click on this image option here. So click on the image option. And then once you're on the image tab here, click on it once you're there. And then out of these options here, you're going to select this generative fill option. Okay, click on the generative fill option. Click on it. So this will open up this screen here. Here, upload the image that you want to remove the background for. So click on upload image and then upload the image. So for example, I'll just choose this image, click on open. Okay, so this is the image. So what I'm going to do now here is I'm going to click on background. If you click on background, so you will see that it removes the background of the image when you click on background. So the image, this one has been selected. So, and suppose if it's not like perfect or anything, then what you can do, you can click on this add option here and use the brush and manually you can zoom in. You can manually zoom in and then eliminate the backgrounds if you want to. But if it's perfect and fine, then you can leave it as it is. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click on this generate option here. Just leave it as it is. Click on the generate option. So while you click on the generate option, so now what we're going to do is click on the download option. So click on download here. While this is generating, click on the download option to download this image without the background. So click on the download option. So once that's done, this image will be downloaded without background. Alternatively, the AI tool will also suggest you for more backgrounds here. So it has added different backgrounds for your pictures. So you can, if you wish to change to another background, so you can simply choose any of these backgrounds here suggested by the AI. And also you can request also for any other specific backgrounds. If you are looking after a specific one, you can mention that too. And same thing, if you want to save it with a different background, hit on the download option again to save that. And that's pretty much it is.